Well, hey there, Ghostcats and Ghost Kittens. It is Ghostcat Patrick. I'm here in Wilmington, Ohio. I'm here with AddyKat. She's selling at the Ohio Renaissance Festival this weekend, and we stopped off at this little restaurant, Southridge Brewing, here in Wilmington, and we had no idea this food was going to be just so amazing. It was so good, we decided we were going to make a little video about it, so here we go. Come with me.
It was built in about the mid-1900s, started off as a frost top root beer stand, was an old school drive-up root beer stand for years. After about a couple decades, it turned into a buffet. It changed names a few times, and about 10 years ago, my brother-in-law, Travis, purchased it, turned it into a brewery. It was pretty successful, and about beginning of January, he decided to get out of the business, and we bought the building from him. Did some renovations, put our special touches on it, and about 3 months ago, we opened up as Southridge Brewing. So far, we've been blown away. We feel so blessed right now. The community is taking us in with open arms. They're really supporting us. Probably the best thing about Clinton County and Wilmington, they support their own. They are dying to have a place of their own, and we're trying to build a community hub. And as you can see, it's turning out to be just that. We're very passionate about our food and our beer. On the food side, I have another partner, Jen Perky. Ethan Jeffrey is helping her out as the kitchen. He's a phenomenal up-and-coming young chef. We make almost everything from scratch, super unique dishes. We try to put our own touch on classic dishes and make them our own. The beers, we are so fortunate. Jen and I are a partner in another business called Trail House here in Wilmington. And we got together with another local, Alex Reinhardt, who has a strong history of brewing beer, and he is absolutely phenomenal. We call him the mad scientist of beer brewing. He's super passionate about what he does, and he comes up with some great brews. My favorite is the one that Alex made just for me. It's called the Grandpa. It's a brown ale, and most places don't carry brown ales except for a very short period of time in the fall. And Alex said, if that's your favorite, it's going on tap all the time, so it's one of our core beers. We have a coffee shop cafe called Cava House. Traditional coffee shop, pastries, breakfast, small cafe at lunch, make almost everything from scratch. We love our carbs, so tons of scones, fresh breads, things like that. My third location I mentioned earlier is called Trail House. Jen has also put her special touches on that place. Super unique breakfast, brunch, lunch location. Lots of fresh produce. We get tons of stuff from local farmers. We have lamb on the menu that was grown here locally. Just a fabulous menu. If you're looking for some unique dishes, super fresh, Trail House is your place. Southridge Brewing is located at 1030 South Street. Yes, I said South Street, in Wilmington, Ohio. We're on the south side of town, obviously, in an older neighborhood. That's where we get our name from, Southridge, and extremely happy to be part of the community.